Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see screenshots on the PlayStation app. Really easy and simple, guys. So what you need to do basically first off is that your PS5 console needs to be linked to your PlayStation app, and then your PS5 console also needs to be left in rest mode and have the stay connected to the internet setting actually enabled in order to screenshots and videos to be auto uploaded. Okay, then you just open up the PlayStation app, select library option. Okay, come here, then you just want to go ahead and under captures, click on captures, click on enable captures for the PlayStation app. It's really that easy and simple, guys. And then once you go to library, go to captures, you'll be able to see all your screenshots, all your videos. You'll be able to see them right here. And if you want to download them, you can just click on download. If you want to share them, you can share them as well. Really that easy and simple, guys. You'll be able to see all your screenshots. So I hope this video provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.